This looks like a beautiful cloud floating peacefully through space. This is the Trifid Nebula, a stellar nursery where newborn stars are blasting material into their surroundings, while intense radiation carves through enormous clouds of gas and dust. And Hubble just zoomed into one tiny corner of it. But there's something even more fascinating. Hubble photographed this same region nearly 30 years ago. So for once, astronomers aren't just looking at a distant snapshot of the universe. They're watching it change. The Trifid Nebula, also known as Messier 20, sits roughly 5,000 light-years from Earth in the constellation Sagittarius. It's called the Trifid Nebula because dark veins of dust divide the glowing gas into 3 distinct sections. But the new Hubble image isn't showing us the entire nebula. Instead, Hubble zoomed in on a tiny region where stars are still being born. And once you look closer, this seemingly peaceful cloud becomes much more chaotic. Those enormous brown and amber structures aren't solid objects. They're clouds of gas and dust stretching across space, and they're being sculpted by the young stars forming inside and around them. Some of these stars are extremely energetic, producing powerful radiation that heats and erodes the surrounding material. But one feature in particular stands out. Look toward the left side of the image. You can see what almost looks like a strange head with 2 horns. And one of those structures is associated with Herbig-Haro 399, a narrow jet of material launched from a young star. That jet stretches for roughly 3/4 of a light-year. That's around 7 trillion kilometers. And it's being produced by a star that's still in the process of forming. As material falls toward the young star, some of it gets redirected outward along its magnetic field, creating these incredibly powerful jets. So what you're looking at isn't just a cloud, it's a stellar nursery in the middle of a construction process. And the newborn stars aren't simply sitting inside this cloud, they're actively changing it. Powerful ultraviolet radiation from nearby massive stars is heating the gas and gradually eroding the surrounding dust. Over hundreds of thousands of years, this radiation can carve enormous cavities through the nebula. So the structures in this image aren't permanent. The Trifid Nebula is constantly being reshaped. Gas is moving, dust is being destroyed, young stars are launching jets, and eventually, much of this material will either become part of stars or be blown away into space. But here's where this Hubble image gets really interesting. Hubble photographed this same region back in 1997. Now, nearly 3 decades later, it has observed it again using a much newer camera. That gives astronomers something incredibly valuable, a before and after view of the same region of space. The stars haven't dramatically transformed before our eyes. Cosmic evolution is far too slow for that. But astronomers can detect subtle changes. For example, the stars appear to shift slightly because they're actually moving through space. And that gives us a remarkable reminder. The stars we see in the night sky aren't frozen in place. The universe is constantly moving. And that's what makes this image more than just another beautiful picture from Hubble. This tiny patch of the Trifid Nebula is a snapshot of a stellar nursery in action. Stars are forming, jets are erupting, radiation is reshaping clouds of gas and dust. And nearly 30 years after Hubble first photographed this region, astronomers can return to the same place and detect the universe moving. All of this is happening about 5,000 light-years away. And every photon in this image has traveled across space for thousands of years just to reach us. This is what a living, changing universe looks like.